So today me and Jay went out to the recycling center. I showed them there for the first time. Got some nice little ribbon cables. And there should be another one somewhere. That's gone missing. Oh. This one's a SCSI cable. It's a lot nicer, I think. Paid $1 each for these. And I really can't pass up rainbow ribbon cable. It's just so wonderful. Then picked up some arcade buttons from Halted. Picked up another computer, 2 monitors, and some other stuff for Jay, because he wanted to have a computer in the kitchen. And we got that all running with Ubuntu and stuff, and it's working fine. And we happened to find that they had some solar panels there. I've known about them for a while, but I finally tested them, and the solar panels worked. We paid $40 a piece for them. I thought they were 150 watts. Turns out they're 210 watts a piece. So we paid $80 for 420 watts of solar panels. They're out in the backyard. They're all fractured. So that is kind of an issue. But the actual solar panels themselves work fine. It's just that the front layer of glass is shattered. So we're going to put like a layer over them. Like some sealant to keep them from corroding. But yeah, pretty much it. Oh shit. I just realized this didn't come with one of the little nuts on there. Ah well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. See ya.